Good morning, everyone. Adrika Khada.
Yes, ma'am.
Start the prayer.
Join your hands, close your eyes. Oh God, help us to be good to do to others as we should not to hate, but to love, send us this from above. Amen.
Okay, very good. Adrija, late join. Prayer is already completed. Yes, 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 yes.
Ma'am, for my network connection, I join late.
Yes, yes. That I am telling. Okay, just drop your hands. Everyone drop your hands. Open your English language book. English language book. Open your English language book. English language. English language book. Chapter number 9. We will start chapter 9. Is it? Arad?
Ma'am, why are you unmuting me?
Yes. We have already completed till chapter 8 English language.
Yes, ma'am. We have already completed chapter 8.
8. So we will start today chapter 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you. Okay, everyone open the chapter 9. Okay, adjectives, degree of comparison. Adjectives, degree of comparison. You have already know that what is adjective. Adjective describes noun. They tell us more about persons, places, animals or things. Okay, so this is the chapter adjectives, degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. So we have compared between two persons and between two or more persons. Okay, and we have we just describe the one person. We that type we used positive degree. Okay, so Gary is tall. Edward is taller than Gary. Henry is the tallest of them all. Okay, so second sentence compares the heights of Edward and Gary using the adjective taller. And the third sentence compares the heights of Edward, Jerry and Henry using the adjective tallest. Yes, so the first and usual form is used when we simply describe someone or something. There we used positive degree. When we describe someone, describe something or someone, there we used a positive degree. ঠিক আছে? Okay, then the second form is used when we compare two things or between two men. Okay, so two things, there we use the comparative degree. Comparative, between two person, compare between two persons, comparative degree. And the second and the third form is adjective. We compare more than two things. More than two things. দুইয়ের বেশি, more than two things. There we use superlative degree. So positive, comparative, and superlative. তাহলে rules of comparing adjectives. The compare, to compare two things, we add er to the adjective. To compare more than two things, we add est to the with the adjective. Est with the adjective. So tall, taller, tallest. So when we compare two or compare between two things, we used er to the adjective. When we compare between two or more things, we used est to the adjective. Short, shortest. Tall, tallest. Small, smallest. Okay. For some adjectives, we add more or less before the adjective instead of adding er or est. More beautiful, more beautiful, less exciting. Okay, and for some adjectives, we add most, least before the instead of adding est. Most dangerous and least dangerous. So when we comparative, in comparative degree, we used we used more and less, and in superlative degree we used most and least. Most and least. Okay, so and some adjectives do not follow any of these patterns. Their other forms are completely different from their usual forms. That is good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Okay, so here the rules and regulation has not been here the rules and regulation has not been maintained. Okay, rules and regulation has not been maintained. Here the form is totally different. Form is totally different. Good, better, best. Okay, bad, worse, worst. So the 5 rules and regulation, 5 rules for comparing adjectives. First, we describe some person, then we use one person, then we use just the positive degree. When we compare between two persons, we use comparative degree. When we compare two more persons, okay, then we use superlative degree. Thale positive, comparative, and superlative. There are 3 adjectives degree of comparison. 3 positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. In positive degree, we use just the word. Okay. In comparative degree, we add er. In superlative degree, we add est. Okay, and some adjectives have the rules of adding the er or est, where we use more or less in comparative degree, and superlative degree, there we use most or least. And some adjectives have no rules and regulation, have no rules, they maintain no rules, where We use good, better, best, bad, worse, worse. These words is total. These words are total different. Okay, totally different. These words are. So everyone take out your copy. Everyone take out your copy. Yes, Sajad Al Habib.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
tomorrow I was absent.
Huh?
Tomorrow I was absent. Can you tell me?
Yesterday. Yesterday. Tomorrow. Yesterday. Okay, I will give your attendance. Yes, read Chakraborty.
This chapter I have also completed. I say A, B, and C.
Yes, yes. A, B, and C.
I
Do
say
it. Do in your copy. A, B, and C. Do it in your copy. Okay.
I do it all.
Also in your copy. Do it again. Do it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Ahornish. Complete. Yes. First one. Yes.
I am telling that I want to show you something that I have made.
What? I can't hear your voice.
Ma'am, guess what is this?
Yes. This is a paper. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
This is a paper money bag.
oh, paper money bag. Okay, okay. Oh, very nice. Very good. Very good.
And
Very
ma'am,
good.
I will do A in my A and C in my copy and B in the book.
Yes, yes, yes. No problem.
Okay.
Okay, first one, A, complete the table using the correct forms of the adjective. Correct forms of the adjective. Compare two things, compare more than two things. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay, kind, kinder, kindest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Gentle, gentle, gentler, gentlest. Intelligent, intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Okay. So this is the question number A, and B, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the adjectives. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjectives. The highway is longer than the road that runs beside it. Here you will see the adjective has already given in the bracket. You should write the proper the degree. You should write the proper degree of comparison in the fill in the blanks. In the blanks, you should write proper degree of comparison in the blanks. Okay, B. That is question number B. And question number C, fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives that have already in the bracket nearer and nearest. My house is nearer or nearest to the market than yours. So you have to do the proper degree of comparison in this blank. So do it fast. A, B, and C. Yes, Prakriti. Unmute yourself. প্রকৃতি, সম্পূর্ণা সামন্ত, yes, সম্পূর্ণা,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, tell me what is the problem?
Don't understand that.
Yes, yes. Complete the table using the correct forms of the adjective. Correct forms of the adjective. Adjective, yes.
I don't understand. 2, 3,
Huh.
4, and 5.
2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 2 is kinder. You also write the adjective kind. Adjective, you write the kind and compare more than 2 things. Kindest, positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Most beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, gentler,
Okay, ma'am.
gentle, gentler, gentlest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent.
Okay, now I understood.
Okay, okay, very good. Do fast. সপ্তপর্ণা,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, question number 8. Complete the table using the correct form of adjective. Can you tell me question number A4?
Yes, yes, 4. Gentle. Gentle.
Yes.
Gentle. Gentle, gentler, gentlest. Gentlest.
Ma'am, slowly.
Gentle.
Gentle.
Gentler, gentler, ওটা তো that has already given. And gentlest, gentlest.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes, yes, yes. Just wait.
can you see my? Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, yes, yes. What is this?
Ma'am, it is a house.
Okay.
Igloo, it is kacha. It is cloth. It is houseboat.
Oh, very good. Very nice. Very nice. খুব ভালো হয়েছে।
Thank you, ma'am.
ওয়েলকাম। আচ্ছা, অদ্রিজা মুখার্জি, অদ্রিজা,
You said yesterday that you will ask today you will ask the wind chapter, the chapter wind.
yes, yes, I will ask any day, any time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
And ma'am, please say me the B6 and 7.
B. Which
Yes,
number?
ma'am.
Which number?
B6 and 7.
Yes, yes, yes. B. Okay, okay. Kolva beach is cleaner than Baga. Kolva beach is cleaner than Baga.
Okay, ma'am.
And 7. Duronto Express starts earlier than the Rajdhani Express. Earlier.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Tefim Hawk.
Ma'am, the number question I will write the answer. Only answer.
Only answer. Only answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Aratrika.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the Shabdabarna to show again the houses.
Yes. Yes, Aratrika.
Please say Shabdabarna to show the houses again. I want to see.
Okay. After the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just do the exercise now. Dipayon. Yes, Prakriti hai. Prakriti, just wait. Dipayon. Yes, Prakriti. Tell me.
Ma'am, due to network problem, I am disconnected.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, what is the C number of A?
No problem. Dipayon, just wait.
What is C number of A?
Wait. Dipayon, wait. Prakriti, tell me.
Ma'am, I have memorized the 8-number chapter. Can I say?
No, not
Which
now.
chapter?
Not now. I will ask any day, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Acha, Dipayon, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the A number of 3?
Yes. Beautiful. More beautiful. Most beautiful.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Adrika. Adrika, tell me.
Beautiful.
Have you?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
what A number 2 and 5, B number
Hmm.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. A number 2 and 5. 2 kind. Kind, kind. And kinder, kindest.
Ma'am, why you unmute me?
KINDEST. Who is this? Dipayon, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Kind, kinder, kindest. Then 2 and 5. Intelligent. Intelligent, more intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And 5, 6, 7.
No, ma'am. 4, 5, 6,
Oh,
7.
acha, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This year, winter is colder. Yes, winter is colder than it was last year. The mango ice cream tastes better than the pineapple ice cream. Better, good, better, best. Better. Kolva beach is cleaner than Baga. And Duronto Express starts earlier than the Rajdhani Express. Got it? Adrika?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, why you unmute me again?
No. Mute yourself. That is mistaken. Mute yourself. Aryan?
Ma'am, I have completed writing in my copy.
Okay, very good, very good. So, you say, you tell me the first one, A, the answer of A.
I'm tall.
Huh? Yes. One,
Taller. Taller.
Hmm.
Tallest.
Then 2,
Kind. Kinder. Kindest.
yes. 3,
Beautiful. More beautiful. Most beautiful.
very good, very good. Okay. Acha, Arad?
Ma'am, I cannot understand number 3.
Number
B3.
B3. Okay.
B1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay. The highway is longer than the road that runs beside it. B1. Okay. The puppy
Okay, ma'am.
is bigger than the kitten. Bigger. Arad, this
Okay, ma'am.
is very easy. Why have you not understand that? Very easy. And question number 3. It is darker. It is darker inside the room than it is outside. Dark,
Okay, ma'am.
darker, darkest. Okay. Big,
Okay, ma'am.
bigger, biggest. Long, longer, longest. Acha. Adil. Yes, Adil.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, please tell the B number question 8.
Yes, B number question 8. Okay. Watermelons more expensive than bananas. More expensive. More expensive. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
and B number question 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. The highway. Yes.
Yes.
The highway is longer than the road that runs beside it. The puppy is bigger than the kitten. It is darker inside the room than it is outside.
Ma'am, 6.
6. Okay. Kolva beach is cleaner than Baga. Cleaner.
Ma'am, C number question
Huh.
1 and 2. Please tell.
1 and 2. Okay. C number question. My house is nearer to the market than yours. Nearer.
And 2.
And 2, her dress is more beautiful than mine. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, everyone do at your home. Okay, everyone complete at your home. Complete because we have no time now. Complete at your home. I will ask tomorrow and I will give the not full exercise. I will give just 1 to A full and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you will do it yourself. And C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you will do it yourself. Okay. And that's the after that you have any problem, you tell me. Okay. After that you have any problem. Okay, Arad. Yes, Arad.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Yes, completed, but we have no time now because it's already 11:35. You will. I will ask you tomorrow, everyone. Okay, I will ask, and then you will tell me the answer. Just at the beginning of the class, I will ask the answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, bye bye, ma'am.
Bye 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 bye. Everyone, bye bye. If you have any problem, tell me tomorrow. If you have any problem about this chapter, tell me tomorrow. Okay, bye bye everyone.